Fire!
Burn up from the lightning strike. Uh-oh, man, there goes the guy's whole winter crop. Oh my God.
Did you tell somebody?
That is insane.
That's how close that lightning was.
Wow.
That poor farmer.
Should we call it in?
Yeah, at least maybe they can come out and just see.
My second favorite thing, fire.
From a lightning strike. God, we've seen it all. Are you kidding me?
Can't get it out, I'd say,
Can't get
for
out?
lightning.
Can we go out?
The camera block.
In there.
Get out? Yes, you can, bro. Well, not out, but just near the van. Just open both doors for us there.
I'm
Dave,
sorry.
so everyone
I'm sorry.
Good look.
Just keep your eyes close to the ground.
What do you take a picture for? Just real quick,
Somebody give me the location. I'll call this in.
I'll do it now. Don't worry.
You're calling it in?
Yeah,
Okay.
From a lightning strike.
Wow.
Someone's going to report a tornado soon, 2 miles away.
Yeah, smoke tornado.
We are seeing everything on this trip.
Watch that door.
Fire, tornadoes, hail, everything.
Everything.
A lightning just struck and started this fire in this field about less than 2 minutes ago.
We're rolling.
Whoa.
We're rolling, Stu. You haven't got the handbrake on. Oh, we're rolling.
Oh, hang on.
And we're calling the fire in someone's wheat field.